Welcome back, my ladies. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you so many ways to fix that problem that makes you feel like you're not feeling good after you finish dressing up. When you look at yourself in the mirror, you don't feel good about your outfit. I am a firm believer of making your environment smells good, making your environment look good. How does your closet look like? Do you put your closet in such a way that it will be very comfortable for you to pick whatever you need for the day? Those are practical reasons that some of us sometimes neglect. Some of my ladies were so used to buying black, cream, white, nude, all those colors. Yes, I know they are classic color, they are colors that you can wear year round, but there are times that you need to incorporate other vibrant colors into your closet in order for you to be able to have different styles going on. Also, you need to incorporate outfits that you can style with what you already own in your closet, so you don't go out all the time to go purchase new item every time that you just don't feel good when you look at yourself in the mirror. There are many ways that you can just elevate those outfits that you already own in your closet. Ladies, I am a firm believer of when your environment smells good, you will feel good. This is the reason why I'm quickly going to introduce this company to you. They are called Me and Sense Fragrance. They have a whole wide range of candles on their website. Today, I am privileged to use this particular one. This one is called Ocean Blue. It's very huge. It's a big candle that you can use year round. When you check them out on Amazon, they have other scents that I believe you will love. So check Me and Sense out on Amazon. Jumping on to today's video, these are the 3 pieces that I featured before earlier in one of my videos, and today I'm going to be restyling it, and I'm going to show you so many ways that you can restyle it. And one of the reasons why you don't feel happy when you look at yourself in the mirror is because you are buying things that you cannot use to restyle something that you already own in your closet. You are buying outfits that the colors are too boring, that you cannot really that it cannot really uplift your spirits whenever you are down. Sometimes when you dress up, even if you're going through some issue and you dress up and you look at yourself in the mirror and you feel good, you will be happy. Just look at this powder blue suit. They are 3 pieces. They're very affordable. If you're interested in it, this is not sponsored, but I will put the link in the description box for you. So for the first outfit, I'm going to change the suit to white. We all know that white will go with this. That is what will come to most people's mind. First of all, white, black. But don't worry, as you continue to watch this video, you will see other colors that pair with these outfits. So moving on, I'm going to go ahead and pair with a tweed top. Just look at that, how it switched everything up and make it more classy.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met.
Third way that I'm going to style is I'm going to be switching it up with a pink shirt, a silk pink shirt, and also I'll put the tweed on it.
Okay, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same.
The fourth way that I will style this 3 piece, I'm going to take away the crop and I'm going to put in a pink shirt also with a blazer that came with the pants, and it just look absolutely amazing. Right here I'm combining blue and pink together. Look at how simple that is, and it just elevated the look and make it look more polished, in my own opinion.
So come on,
and for the 4th outfit, we're going just simple. This will really work for when you want to go, just to walk around on during the summertime. So I switched it up just with a tube top, which is white. We all know that white will go with this the powder blue suit. White will go with it very well. So I just put it up and just dress it down just to give me that summer vibe. The next way that I'm going to style this is going to be with a skirt. Wearing a light blue skirt with a crop top and also with a suit that came with the 3 pieces. Here I decided to use brooch in order to define my waist a little bit more, and I feel like it makes my outfit look more classy. What do you all think? I look very, very elegant, very put together. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.
Me love, I'ma show you how to move.
The next way that I style it is the normal way that anybody will want to style this outfit, with a black skirt. I didn't use the brooch in this particular one, and I changed my shoes just to match my skirt, to put everything, to tie it up and make it look together. So here I love the way it looks. This can go for office look as well. You know, it can go for a formal, like a gathering, like you're going somewhere real quick, and you can even wear this to church because my stomach is covered all the way. Even though I'm wearing a crop top, it doesn't look like crop top because of the high-waisted pleated skirts. The next way that I style it, it's with a pleated palazzo pants with a crop top. Also, my stomach is covering, it's not revealing too much, and I just wear a strap sandal with it, with a clutch. This can just go for, you know, like hanging out in the night, to quickly go out, you know, to hang out with friends. You can even use this to dinner if it's summertime. Yes, if you have your light jacket, you can hold it in order for you not to feel too cold while you're in the restaurant. I just love this look. It's very elegant, it's very chic. Ladies, please let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this video, and please do not forget to like this video. And also, if you have not subscribed before, please do consider subscribing. Help me to share this video with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe you will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. Now let's talk about colors that you can just use to uplift this baby powder blue suit up. I'm going to be going for burnt orange pants, also with a crop top, and also with the suits. I just put this look together and I really love it. This is how the ways that you can uplift your feeling. Whenever you look at the mirror and you don't feel good, try to go back into your closet and look at other colors that you can add to your outfit in order to elevate it and make you feel good when you look at yourself in the mirror. Another way that you can uplift this outfit, it's by especially during summertime, I pair this with a short, very bright yellow, and this crop top and the suit. Everything just look good. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I really love this particular one. I feel like putting on the blazer just uplift it. If I've taken off the blazer, I will look too much like naked, but with the blazer, with the short, it just elevates it and make it look more chic, more sophisticated, and more elegant. What do you all think? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Ladies, can we all just agree that it does make sense to buy outfits that you can already use to pair those outfits that you have in your closet already? These are 3-piece that I just purchased, and look at how many ways I've restyled it. And to top this off, I'm going to be finishing with this knitted bedazzled top. It's yellow, like very light yellow, like this buttercup yellow that is in trend kind of, but I just love this top because of the bedazzle. You all know I love blinks, so that's why I purchased it. I just changed my earring to a smaller one because the top is already like very loud, making its own noise, telling people that I'm here, you need to see me. So that's why I make sure I did not wear too much of jewelry or a lot of accessories, because my top is doing all the talking for me. And I paired with the pants that came from the 3 sets. Ladies, this is why I would recommend that whenever you don't feel good and you look at yourself in the mirror after you finish dressing up, probably you need to add this and that to uplift your spirit. Go back into your closet, change your outfits. You don't have to be wearing black, nude, gray, milk color, nude, and all that all the time. There are times that you need to put a touch of color in order to uplift your spirit, in order to make you feel good. And don't forget to make your environment to scent good, just like this candle from Me and Sense Ocean Escape. They have so many other ones on their website. Check Me and My Sense out. And ladies, thank you all so much for watching this video today. Please do not forget to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.